Okay. So the same file, I'm keeping it in the all the TGs. Um, so these are the files that you should given to you. And G code data was on file to be there. Um, this might not be bad. So G code data take them back here. So here I have given like what should be the building phase. Okay. So by taking this as a reference, you can upgrade it. So 300 cross 300 cross 300 is the build volume, and heat and bed is there. Then heated build volume is there, and this works on the margin firmware. That means you might know about CNC machines working with Fanuc Siemens, right? So same way, margin is a firmware that is being installed here. So the G code always strategy works on the margin firmware. And start G code and end G code. So when starting company, we have to tell what are the operations that has to do before starting the company. Okay, so those actions we have given it here. So start G code. Here you can see 3-point leveling. The bed leveling can happen automatically. So by reading all these things, you can understand. If I know, like I just tell you like how to do it alone. It copy this code and delete the existing code available here and paste it. Same way, in the HG code also, you can do the copy paste of that. Okay. Then here you can see -14. These are the offset distance that is a standard for our printer. So it might change for other printer. Then extruder is 2 extruders. Okay, now if you are using one extruder, no, sir. The machine configuration is 2 extruders. That we will set up here because this is the initial machine setup. Okay. And this will be same for any application also. If you are going for cruiser slice also, this kind of questions you will be asking. That we have to send you. And extruder 1, we have to send what is the compatibility with the 1.75 m diameter. And for second gauge, for these details, starting duration 8 seconds and 2 seconds. Apart from that, no other changes. But we have a extruder 1 start G code and extruder 1 end G code. That means whenever there is a coupling between the extruder, one extruder will be printing on one layer. On the same layer, there will be a requirement for the second extruder. So when the switching is happening, this start code and end G code has to have. Yes, sir. So yeah. So that's why, like, because we have a nozzle training system, so that works based upon this G code only. It will go to the particular position. First, the material, because the metal that is available in the source portion, right? That will be clogged. So we have to remove that material, then only we have to start the training. So it will go to the cleaning bin and then pour the material, and it has to move front, then it has to come back to fill the log. Yes, yes. That's why I know, like here you can understand those. That G code is written here. So 8G4. Same way for extruder 2 also. It is 1.75. So you are going to do all these things in the PC. So it is a standard disk that we have listed and giving you. Yes, yes. So this is what printer configuration. So once this is done, it can go to the next step.